Having issues with your MacBook Neo? Try macOS Safe Mode. It helps fix errors and makes troubleshooting easier. Here's how to enter and exit Safe Boot menu. First, completely shut down your MacBook Neo. You can do this from the Apple menu and select Shutdown. Or, if the screen isn't responding, just press and hold the power button until the screen goes black. Wait a couple of seconds. Now press and hold the power button again. Keep holding it until you see the Loading Startup Options screen. Once it appears, release the button and wait. When the recovery menu loads, click on Macintosh HD to select it. Now press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. You'll see a new option appear, Continue in Safe Mode. Click on it. Give your Mac some time to boot into Safe Mode. Once you're in, enter your password to log in. And then do whatever you needed Safe Mode for. When you're done, the quickest way to exit is click on the Apple logo and hit Restart. Your MacBook Neo will boot back into normal mode. That's it. Thanks for being with us.